Grab you a beverage and a snack, and let's go straight to the Priceless Pearl Life Kitchen on today. I'm starting off with this all natural premium Cornish hen. Seasonings of choice: black pepper, salt, paprika, garlic powder, lemon pepper seasoning, and Italian seasoning. Now listen, I said listen. Make sure you wash the bird. I know it looks clean, but believe me, it's a dirty bird until you wash it and prep it for your family and friends. I like to start off by removing the lids from off of all of my seasonings. That way I don't mix them up when time to put the lids back on. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. Thank you so much for your continued support. So, grab a couple of paper towels and dab. That's right, remove the excess moisture or water from your birds, front and back. Then drizzle about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And next, we're going to generously apply our rub to our Cornish hens. Now go ahead and get down and dirty. Massage your seasonings in well, because we don't want any bland bird over here. You see, this is what I'm talking about. Packed with flavor. And now we're going to let this marinate for about 3 hours. And then we'll be ready to cook it a little later. I'm using parsley, black pepper, salt, minced garlic, honey, and unsalted butter for my honey garlic carrots. About 2 tablespoons of butter and a heaping tablespoon of garlic, because we love garlic. The garlic for about 30 seconds and then introduce the honey. Stir well. And then later we're going to introduce our carrots. The recipe calls for about 3 tablespoons of honey, but I only used about a tablespoon and a half. Now that it is slightly thickened, I'm going to introduce my baby carrots. Toss well. And then I'm going to add salt, pepper, and a little parsley. And if you're new here, then don't be a stranger. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. transfer your carrots to a lined baking sheet in a single layer, 400 degrees, for about 20 minutes or until fork tender. In the Priceless Pearl Life Kitchen, it's all about multitasking. So while my carrots are in the oven roasting, now it's time to cook my Cornish hen. 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Halfway through, I'm going to flip them over. If it takes longer than 20 minutes, no worries. Make sure to check your Cornish hens. They are ready when they reach an internal temperature of 185 degrees. Make sure you're checking in the thickest part of the thigh. And if you're new here, then don't be a stranger. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. So a green salad and my honey garlic carrots, my choice of sides for today. But the star of this dinner, it is my Cornish hens. So if you enjoyed today's video, then you know what to do. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment below. I would appreciate if you would share my video with family and friends so YouTube will know it's a great video and more people need to see the Priceless Pearl cooking in her Priceless Pearl Life Kitchen. Now it's time to go because dinner is served on the Johnson Ranch. Make sure to view my full cooking playlist for more great recipes. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Fridays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more, sprinkle in between for your viewing pleasure. I already look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. But check out these cool videos before you go.